If you're thinking about setting up a print-on-demand business, you've probably encountered the words Printify and Shopify quite a lot. Both platforms are key players in the world of e-commerce and print-on-demand. But which one is better for your needs? Well, in this video, I'm going to help you answer that question and show you how to get the best results from both platforms. Okay, let's start with a look at the key difference between Printify and Shopify. The key difference between Printify and Shopify is that Printify's main focus is on letting you design print-on-demand products, items that are then made and fulfilled by a print supplier. These include things like clothing, wall art, homeware, and accessories. Shopify, on the other hand, is a tool that is primarily used to build online stores. And you can use a Shopify store to sell any type of products. For example, things you made yourself, digital goods, or items that are manufactured and fulfilled by a service like Printify. However, there is a significant crossover between the two tools, for the simple reason that Printify also lets you build an online store. This is done using its pop-up store feature. Let's take a look at this now and see how it compares to Shopify's store building capabilities. Printify's pop-up store feature is a very simple store builder that lets you display and sell print-on-demand products. Adding a new product to a pop-up store is extremely easy. Once you've designed a product in Printify, you just hit a publish button and the product is immediately available for purchase on your online storefront. However, when it comes to editing your pop-up store's design and content, the options are limited. You can add your brand logo and social media links to your store and make basic tweaks to its appearance. But content management options are limited, and there are no blogging features or advanced SEO controls available. And of course, the only thing you can sell on a Printify pop-up store is POD inventory that you've created with Printify. So while a Printify pop-up store certainly gives you an easy, no-frills way to create a simple website presence for your product designs, its basic editing features and inventory restrictions mean that it's not really the best store-building solution for professional merchants. Now, let's take a look at Shopify. Shopify is one of the most powerful online store builders on the market, giving you complete control over every aspect of your business's online presence. It gives you access to a wide range of customizable themes, a drag-and-drop editor, a blog, SEO tools, and powerful international selling features. It also lets you work with a huge range of payment processing providers. In short, everything you need to create a professional online store comes out of the box from Shopify. It also gives you access to a huge range of apps and integrations that let you extend your store's functionality in lots of different ways. For example, you can use Shopify apps to create sophisticated email marketing campaigns, sell products on Amazon, and dropship. None of this is available with a Printify pop-up store. So which platform is right for you? Well, even though Shopify is a more powerful platform, there are definitely a couple of scenarios where you might want to use Printify by itself. The first is if you're on an extremely low budget and know that you're only going to be selling POD items. Printify's pop-up store tool lets you create a simple storefront entirely for free while giving you full access to its enormous catalog of POD products. The second scenario is where you simply need to point friends and family to a site where they can purchase items that have been designed specially for them. For letting members of a local club buy customized merchandise like shirts or calendars easily, a Printify pop-up store will do the trick nicely and for free. But a lot of the time, deciding between Shopify and Printify isn't really an either-or situation. In most cases, you'll get much better results by using the two platforms together. Yes, Shopify's store builder is light years ahead of Printify's pop-up store feature in terms of capabilities and will give you a much more professional store. But Printify gives you all the inventory you'll need to populate that store with great products. So how do you connect these two platforms? Well, the good news is that it's really easy to use Printify and Shopify together. All you need to do is create a Shopify account, install the Printify app, design some products, and sync them to your Shopify store. The process involved is very straightforward. But if you check the video description, you'll find simple instructions on how to do this. You'll also find links in the description to the latest trials and offers for both platforms. These include a link to a special extended version of the Shopify free trial. And that's that, our guide to Printify versus Shopify. To sum everything up, use both platforms together for best results. For a deeper dive into both platforms, do check out our full blog post comparing them. You'll find a link to this in the description. Before you go, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching it. This will give you access to all our key e-commerce and print-on-demand resources going forward. And if you have any queries about Printify or Shopify, do leave them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.